Hey traders, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to modify and close trades on the ProjectX Trading Platform step by step. Let's dive right in. First, log into your ProjectX account using your username and password. Once you're in, select the instrument you want to trade, or choose the one you want to modify or close. Now let's look at how to modify your take profit and stop loss levels. You can do this in two easy ways. 1. Modifying from the chart. After placing a trade, you'll see horizontal price lines appear on your chart. To set a take profit or sell stop, simply drag the line above or below the current market price. Let's say you've placed a buy trade on micro S&P. You can now see a horizontal line on the chart. To set or modify your take profit, drag the line above the current market price to your desired target. Similarly, to set or adjust your stop loss, drag the line below the market price to where you want to limit your risk. As soon as you drop the line in place, the order is updated automatically. Now, let's discuss the second method to modify the stop loss and take profit. The second method is modifying from the Positions tab. Click on the Positions tab at the bottom of the platform. Now to set a stop loss, click on the Edit icon next to the Risk option. You can either use the up/down arrow icon to adjust the price, or manually enter your desired value. To set or change a take profit, click the Edit icon under the To Make column and input your target price. Now let's talk about closing and managing positions. When you have an active position open, you'll notice several trade management buttons become available under the Order and DOM tab. Let's break them down. Clicking Close Position will exit your trade at the current market price. If you're holding a buy position, it will execute a sell at market, and if you're holding a sell position, it will execute a buy at market. If the button is grayed out, that simply means there's no open position. If you want to flip your trade entirely, the Reverse Position button will close your current trade and instantly open a new one of the same size in the opposite direction. To remove all pending limit and stop orders for the selected symbol without affecting your open positions, use Cancel Orders. When this button is unavailable, it just means there are no pending orders to cancel. For a complete exit across your account, use Flatten All. This will close every open position and cancel all pending orders across all symbols and accounts, regardless of what you've selected. If you'd prefer to keep your trades running but still remove all pending orders, use Cancel All instead. Now, if you only want to close a specific trade quickly, go to the Positions tab and click on the small cross icon on the far right of that trade. Once clicked, the position will be closed immediately at the market price. And that's it. You now know how to modify your trades, set take profit and stop loss levels, and manage or close positions on the platform. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tutorials. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy trading!